Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and these nails have seen better days. Honestly, when I broke these guys, I just filed them, and not even very well, like literally just filed so they were not pointy. And we're going to do an infill. It's probably been 3 weeks by the judge of it, so I'm going to fast forward this part for you guys, but I figured I would leave it in.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Alright, so we are prepped and ready to go. You can see that new growth has that kind of like chalky white, so you know you are good. Taking Young Nails Protein Bond, I'm going to apply this on the new growth. I'm going to take Gelish foundation, and I am just going to apply this on the first nail, and I'm gonna build out my base on these two nails. So I'm gonna do one at a time. Maybe I'll do both at the same time. And I am just scrubbing that in. Gave that a full cure. I'm taking Mia Secret forms. Love these forms. Just get them off Amazon, and I'll link them below. But I give a little snip. Okay, gonna pop it in here. And I like to squeeze down at the bottom first and squeeze towards the back, so your form essentially is stuck down here, and then bring the sides up. So you can see no gap. I'm taking natural fiber, and this is the Madam Glam application brush. Okay, going to apply the tip and come over to the side and walk it down. Do a slight overlay. Because you need to have your gel touching your nail, otherwise you will get a quick break off when you go to file. Okay, just wiping it off towards the bottom. And I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. Grabbing that Gelish foundation again. That is way too much on there. Coming down the nail. Okay. I have cured that, and I'm coming in, snipping my form, pinching, pulling these guys out, putting it under the nail, and then again pinching at the bottom here, and then working my way back. Just grabbing that natural fiber and placing it over the tip and walking it down. Again on this side. I'm gonna grab a little bit more here. And swipe down your nail to make sure it connects. All right, wiping that tacky layer off. And I am going to file these. That way all of my nails are going to be the shape I want. So when we go to infill them, it'll be easier. Taking a slip layer, if you notice I unloaded the brush in the middle of the nail, so I don't have a ton of product on my brush. I'm pushing back towards that cuticle and pulling down. I swipe down the side and I bring back the nail, or back the brush back to the center of the nail, and that keeps most of the bulk off the nail. Again, these are semi built up. You have noticed I have a flatter edge there because when I do have a nail break off, I do like to take off more at the bottom because I want to have more of the new gel there. So I just grab that bead and I am just walking it down the nail. I'm gonna grab a little bit more and I'm just going to run it down. Flip the nail upside down, and what that is gonna do, it's gonna help the gel come back to center, and then it relaxes and I'm gonna cure. All right, you're gonna apply your slip layer again and come down, keeping most of the bulk in the center. And this will be the last one I do, that way you're not here forever. I let the gel run down the brush, put it in the back, let it run towards the cuticle but not touch, and then I swipe it down. And if you notice, my nail is slightly forward, adding a little bit more gel. Okay, and make sure you always come over that free edge. I am going to repeat. Remember, these guys didn't have any gelish foundation, so I'll do gelish foundation and then come in with my other gel.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
All right, I'm gonna take Born Pretty JM01. And you guys know this is the glitter cat eye, and I'm obsessed. So I filed and buffed my nails, and I'm applying a thin coat. I might do 2 coats, although that's really good coverage, because I do still want it to be see-through-ish. All right. Man, every time I look at this, it's just mesmerizing. Although my studio lights cannot do this justice. I even said that, I think, in the first video I used this, or maybe the haul.
I don't wanna miss
right, I'm gonna take Mia Secret's Blooming Gel, and I am going to apply a nice thin layer because I don't want this to bloom to infinity. I want it to respectively spread out. I have my ombre brush here, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of each. So I didn't really swipe through it. I kind of just grabbed some. Because I'm wanting this to be more so about the glitter than about the ombre that I'm doing on top.
Sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And
All right, here is the finished look. I love it so much. Again, I wanted to keep that glitter on the forefront. Maybe the forefront, because it's literally in the background, is not the right word, but I wanted to keep a lot of it. Maybe that's the best way to put it. And there is still quite a bit around, and my lights are not going to do this justice. I'm obsessed. And like, not sure if you can see this, the green has faded out over it, so it just gives a really cool effect if they have fully bloomed in some places. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.